In this video, we are going to learn how to divide a circle in a number of segments and how to fit a curve. So this is required especially when we solve the problems of projection of cone and projection of cylinder. So suppose I have to divide this circle into 8 equal parts. So you have to I have to use divide command. So I type DIVIDE in command line, press enter, then select object, click on this object. Command line asks you to enter number of segments. So number of segments is nothing but the number of parts in which we have to divide the circle. So I'm going to enter 8 value and press enter. Now this circle is divided into 8 equal parts, but as point style is dot, so it is not visible. So now go to utilities, click on point style, select cross as a point style. Point size, it is in percentage, that is, it is related to the screen size. So instead of that, we want it in units. So click on this, set size in absolute units, and click OK. Now you can see that the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So in this way, we can divide any entity into number of parts by using divide command. Now next thing is we have to fit the curve. So suppose there are random points like this. I'm going to add any random points and I have to fit a curve. So connect these points by using polyline. Connect all points by using polyline. Then just left click on it, select this line. When line color changes to blue, it indicates polyline is selected. Then right click and click on this polyline. So in this drop down, we have curve fit option. So click on it. So now you can see that all points are fitted in a curve and all sharp corners are vanished. So in this way, we can fit the curve. Now there are many times the condition in which we have to show visibility for the curve. Likewise, suppose this first front part of the curve is visible and this back part is not visible. In that case, if all points are connected by same polyline, then it is difficult to select the parts separately. So in that case, what we can do, I'm just erase this and now I'm going to connect the parts by using two different polylines. So this front part, which is visible, that I'm going to connect by one polyline, escape, and the back part that I'm going to connect by using another polyline. Then I fit the curve for both lines. Right click, polyline, curve fit. Select this second polyline, right click, polyline, curve fit. Now I have to change this to dash. So first I load that line, load this dash line. Now select this and select the dot dash line. So in this way, we can show the visibility by using two different polylines. I hope that dividing circle and fitting curve, both concepts are clear to you.